How to set the back tap or double tap to turn on or switch off Smart Invert on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and tap on Touch. Then we scroll down again all the way down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. In here, you can choose to use double tap or triple tap. I'm going to use double tap, so tap on that. Next, we go down to the accessibility section, and in here, select Smart Invert. So if it is set to something else, you can choose Smart Invert. In here, you can now double tap on it to turn on Smart Invert, or you can switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.